How to buy BNB through SafePal. I guess basically should to buy BNB through SafePal application. If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. To buy BNB through SafePal, open the SafePal application on your mobile device. Once you open the app, tap on Buy Crypto option on the home screen. After you click on Buy, choose BNB as the token you want to purchase. Then select your preferred payment provider like Simplex, MoonPay, or Binance Money. Next, enter the amount of BNB you want to buy and choose your payment method, such as credit card or bank transfer. Tap Next and follow the instruction on the payment provider's page. You may need to verify your identity before completing the payment. Once payment is completed, your BNB will be added immediately in your SafePal Wallet database. And if you are not sure how to complete any of the steps, make sure to check out all the videos on this channel for full guidance. And I'll catch you in the next one. Bye bye.